TDG is a company committed to ethical values, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. We prioritize integrity, transparency, and honesty in all our business operations, ensuring strong communication with our customers to understand and address their unique needs. At TDG, we take sustainability seriously. Our carbon dioxide-free since born initiative exemplifies our dedication to reducing our carbon footprint and contributing to environmental sustainability. Our innovative solutions and services in industries like automotive, defense, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, technology, and telco are designed with sustainability in mind. Products and solutions. Mobility solutions. TDG offers mobility solutions as Ekash Sales Force Automation, aimed at improving sales operations. Ekash helps field force of our customers to execute their business transaction faster, more accurate, and in a secure way. Robotic solutions. Izzy is a robotic solution developed by TDG that aims to create value from insights generated by connected assets throughout the product lifecycle, manufacturing, and supply chain. The interaction between machines, products, people, processes, and enterprises triggers positive changes at every level. Software testing. TDG provides software testing tools including BrowseMall and multi-browser to automate and facilitate browser testing for optimal software performance. Training platforms. TDG offers a training platform called Selenium.Academy that helps organizations improve their resilience by providing training for various technical skills. Services and consulting. Consulting services. TDG provides consulting services in areas such as business process, document processing, process operation, and more. They offer digital consulting, executive consulting, and resilience consulting to help businesses overcome challenges and achieve their goals. System integration. Blockchain, mobility, resilience, robotic, and SAP services are system integration solutions. Customer focus is at the heart of what we do. We believe in building strong partnerships with our clients, ensuring their satisfaction with our products and services. Our commitment to climate action extends to empowering employees, partners, students, teachers, and customers to benefit from our solutions. Choose TDG for a reliable business partner that upholds ethical values, prioritizes sustainability, and puts customers first. Join our 10,000 happy customers in making a positive impact on the environment and achieving your business goals.